Welcome back, 6:51. All this month on 13 WMAZ Morning, we are taking a look back at some of the biggest weather events we've seen over the last 20 years.
Earlier, Hunter Williams took us back through the deadly spring of 1998. He joins us again from Monroe County, where one of those tornadoes did some major damage. Hunter.
That's right, Caitlin and Carly. I'm here at Whispering Pines Mobile Home Park, where back in 1998, several trailers were completely destroyed back in that tornado. Now, fortunately, no one was killed in that storm, but it was the storms of April 8th, 1998 that actually killed 34 people near my hometown of Birmingham, Alabama. I was only 3 years old at the time, but since then I have frequently gone back and watched news coverage from that day, and I vividly remember the devastation caused in communities like Oak Grove in Jefferson County, near where I'm from in Birmingham. Now, let's go back that day and talk about what exactly happened from a scientific perspective. All in all, there were 14 tornadoes on April 8th, 1998. In the state of Georgia, 3 tornadoes were observed, all the result of a single supercell thunderstorm. This same supercell also produced 3 additional tornadoes in Alabama, one of which was an extremely violent F5. With the parameters in place, a line of thunderstorms developed over east central Mississippi by the late afternoon. Within this line of thunderstorms, the single supercell responsible for 6 tornadoes developed and produced its first tornado in F3 as a high precipitation supercell in West Alabama. After this first tornado lifted, the thunderstorm then began showing more textbook supercell characteristics. With a pronounced hook echo evident on the radar view from Birmingham, the second tornado produced damage ranging from F3 to F5 and killed 32 people. This extremely violent tornado lifted after 46 minutes on the ground, and then a third F2 tornado was dropped in east central Alabama. As the supercell entered Georgia, it began to take on more linear characteristics, resulting in reduced rotation of the thunderstorm. Even as a weaker thunderstorm, 3 more tornadoes were produced in North Georgia, 1 F1 tornado and 2 F2s. For most of its lifespan, this supercell exhibited high precipitation tendencies, very common of supercells in the southeast. Coming up next week, we look back to 2008 and the Mother's Day tornadoes that caused a path of destruction across central Georgia. Caitlin and Carly, back to you.
Very interesting. Thank you, Hunter. If you would like to see more archive footage of those 98 storms, just look back for the Weather Rewind story on 13WMAZ.com.